Well, the Delhi Women's Commission chief was today detained while she was on her way to meet the Prime Minister. Now, she was carrying on her several letters, we're told several lakh letters, over 5 lakh letters to the Prime Minister. This is support of the Rape Roko campaign by the Delhi Commission of Women, which has demanded very strong action for those who rape young children. Now, of course, the Commission and its supporters are saying that this was deplorable and there's no reason for her to have been detained. She had informed, they say, police and also other officials involved that she was going to come to hand over letters supporting the Rape Roko campaign, saying that she'd informed the police and the Prime Minister's office as well. Now, the letters were written by people to support this campaign, asking for very strong punishment to those who rape young children.
We come to you from Mandir Marg police station, where the DCW chief along with several volunteers have been detained here. Swati, I see your hand in a sling right now. What exactly happened? We need to understand that over 5 lakh letters which have been addressed to the Prime Minister asking him to take strict punishment when it comes to cases of child rape. What exactly happened when you took it to him?
We were just going to the Prime Minister office very peacefully. We just had a bunch of people who, and because it's 5,55,000 letters that we are talking about, obviously I cannot carry them alone. And we were just going, and suddenly the police stopped us and just manhandled us, and here I am here with a sling. I haven't gone back home in the past 36 days. I'm on a satyagraha. I'm demanding that at least in the cases of child rapes, the rapist should be given some very strict punishment within 6 months. Presently, the 8-month-old baby who was raped, or a 2-year-old or a 3-year-old, will spend the next 15 years of their life getting raped again and again by the system because they will be demanding justice.
The police here say that you did not have a prior appointment, you did not take permission, and that's the reason why they had to detain you, because that is a VIP zone at the end of the day.
It's really absolutely untrue. Firstly, we had an appointment, and secondly, I just want to understand, these are 55,000 letters from the people of this country. Cannot the people of the country just go to the Prime Minister office and deposit letters? This is the man ki baat of the people of this country. And the letters, the way they were thrown, the way they were torn, police officers stepped on those letters. I'm personally very, very devastated.
You can see a lot of scuffle is happening between the police and the members and supporters of the DCW who've come in here. Now, what you see here are letters. Over 5 lakh letters have come in, all addressed to the Prime Minister, asking for immediate action and stricter punishment when it comes to cases of child rape. Now, today morning, the DCW, headed by their chief Swati Maliwal, walked in physically with these letters to the PMO. They were stopped and detained, and they're all here right now at the Mandir Marg police station. I'm joined by volunteers here. The DCW chief has been detained. She's still inside the police station.
She was brutally assaulted while she was just going to the Prime Minister's office to submit 5,50,000 forms. I don't understand whether we are living in an anarchy, monarchy, or we're living in a democracy. She's inside right now. We have an entire human chain event planned for tomorrow. And it seems like this has been an organized thing for us to not be able to do this.
Okay.
So that is what is happening right now.
Where were you guys exactly stopped? Because obviously with security concerns, you will not be allowed inside the PMO unless you have a time taken from prior on. So that's not the case. So where were you exactly stopped?
So we were stopped right before Vijay Chowk. We hadn't even reached Rashtrapati yet, Rashtrapati Bhavan yet. So it makes absolutely no sense how we were stopped before. We had obviously taken time from the PMO, and it seems like they wanted to get us here. They took half of our volunteers, by the way, to Sansad Marg police station. Half of us were detained